Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today's video is going to be all about Anastasia Beverly Hills. I recently got my hands on the Soft Glam palette that I think came out a couple months ago, but whatever, I just got it. It was on sale at Macy's, so I got it. I wasn't gonna pay full price. And just a few other Anastasia products that I have. I am gonna try to do a full face of just Anastasia. I think I have enough products to do that here, so I'm super excited about that. Anastasia is definitely one of my favorite makeup brands ever. And I usually buy a lot of the things that she comes out with, especially the palettes. Like, I own all of the permanent palettes that they've ever come out with. So, you know, I'm just a diehard ABH fan, and I thought, hey, you know, let me just do a full video, especially since I got the new Soft Glam palette. So if you want to stay tuned, see what look I end up coming up with, and you know how I look after this video, then just stay tuned. To start out with today, I'm going to quickly do my brows using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I use the shade Dark Brown. I have been obsessed with this ever since I started doing my eyebrows. This was the first eyebrow product I bought, and honestly, it will be the last eyebrow product that I buy. I just love this. This is thebomb.com. If you don't have it, you're playing games. That's it. Alrighty guys, so brows are done. They're looking shapoppin', if I do say so myself. We're gonna jump right into this Soft Glam palette. It does come in this nice nudie box. This is meant to be a super basic, super neutral eyeshadow palette that's good for like brides or just like your average girl that doesn't need a lot of shebang and a lot of colors. This is kind of like, I think, the sister to Modern Renaissance. I think they wanted Subculture to be, but it wasn't. I think this is going to be the sister to Modern Renaissance, which is definitely one of my all-time favorite eyeshadow palettes. It comes in the same felt box. This does get dirty. Build a bridge, people. Get over it. These things get dirty, but I do like the way they feel. I do think they're really cute. So you know what? It is what it is. Clearly, this is the box they're going for. They're not going to change it. Get with the program. You know what I mean? But let's just jump right into this. You opened it. This is like a standard Anastasia thing. You have a nice mirror in here, and it also comes with a brush. A lot of people don't like the brushes that these things come with. I'm not saying they're the best brushes, but hey, it's a brush. I'm gonna use it. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's super pretty, and as I said, super basic. So let's not diddle about. Let's jump right into this eye tutorial. Guys, I don't even know what eye look I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna jump in here and just, you know, start playing with this. Might do a cut crease, a half cut crease. Let's start off with burnt orange. I feel like orange soda might be too light for me. Yes, there's kickback. Don't, oh, you guys can't see that. There's kickback. Okay, so this is what this eye is looking like. Next, I'm going to jump into this shade called Mulberry. This really pretty, I don't even know how to describe it. I think it's a reddy kind of shade, but it's like a red-brown. It's really calling me, so I'm going to put that a little bit lower in my crease than this original transition shade. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. And again, these colors are blending like butter. This is Anastasia. I mean, her formula is really good. Definitely, she makes some of my favorite shadows, so I wouldn't expect anything less from them. Guys, call me a basic bitch, but this is real cute. This color Mulberry, that just hit the spot. I'm feeling this color a lot. This is really cute. Okay, Anastasia out here. I'm going to go in with this shade Cypress Umber just to deepen the outer V of my eye. So when we do our cut crease, it's like shabam. You know what I think? So I'm just going to use this like little fluffy Real Techniques brush. I absolutely love this brush for when I do these types of looks. It just gets into the corner of my really small eyes really, really well. Okay, so next I'm just going to cut my crease using my MAC concealer. I don't have an Anastasia concealer, sadly, so I'm just going to use this to quickly do like a half cut crease on both of my eyelids. Then I'll be back to pick out our colors. So for the lid, I'm going to go ahead and use this shade called Sultry on like this side of this lid, like here. And in the inner corner, I'm going to do pink, rose pink. That's what happens when you try to read colors in back, like reverse. And I think Sultry is more of like a chunky finish. So let's see how this works out. Oh, wow. That's so pretty. So pigmented, guys. Okay guys, so for now we are done with the eyes until we move on to the bottom later on in our inner corners. We're going to move on to the rest of our face right now. For primer, Anastasia don't got a face primer, so I'm going to just use my Too Faced primer really quickly. Been really enjoying this recently. If you want to see a review on this collection, I'll link it up above somewhere for you to click on. It'll also be down in the description bar below. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the stick foundation that they have. I believe this is the only foundation that they have, so I'm going to be using this one today, and I wear the shade Chestnut. This is actually my second stick of this. My first one ran out. It's all the way over there. I would grab it to show you, but it's over there and that's unnecessary. I absolutely love this foundation. If you are an oily girl, you need an everyday foundation that's kind of high end but not that pricey, this is for you because this is only $25. Yeah, this is great. Okay, so moving on to concealer for our under eye. I legitimately forgot to go get one of their concealers because it's a concealer I have definitely been trying to get because they have like the little pot concealers. But since I didn't get that, we're going to go ahead and use this old little palette here. The cream contour palette that I feel like nobody uses anymore, but everybody and their mother used to use. Yeah, I still have mine. It's been a few years. I'm still going to use it because I actually did like this and I think I might still like this. So let's go. I'm gonna mix these two shades for my under eye. I think like nude and cinnamon. And then I'm gonna use the shade Carib for my contour. I don't usually cream contour that often lately, but I gotta make an exception for this palette just because I was so obsessed with it. And because it's been a while, I have to swirl it around just to get the creaminess again because, you know, it kind of dried a little bit. So here we go. Yeah, this shade was always too close to my skin tone. I think this is cinnamon. So that's why I add nude on top of it for a bit brighter effect. Let's blend this sucker out with my brand new beauty blender. I love this color. I kind of wanted to get it since it came out, but you know, I was saving whatever. Alrighty guys, so this is our under eyes. We're good, we're good. I'm going to do quickly a little bit of cream contouring and then we'll set the rest of our face. Right now I'm not a fan of this contour. It's looking very dark on me. I don't know if it's my lights that's throwing me off, because I used to really like this shade, but it's throwing me off. I'm gonna go ahead, set my under eye using the powder contour from ABH. I'm gonna use this shade here to set my under eye. And then I'm just gonna go in with this shade here to kind of set the contour and hopefully bring it a little bit more back to life. So sadly, I don't have any of the bronzers that ABH just came out with. Now that I think about it, I really wish I did, but I'm just gonna go in with this blush by Black Radiance called Toasted Almonds. It's kind of bronzy-esque, so I can like put as blush and kind of bronze my face up a bit. So moving on to the rest of the eyes really quickly. For my under eye, I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber, really close to the lash line, and then I'm gonna blend that out with Mulberry, just to kind of have the same top and bottom effect that we have here. For the inner corners and brow bone, I'm going to take the shade Tempura and just like give them a little pop and highlight effect. Tempura might be too light. I'm going to go ahead and add the shade Fairy in there. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead, do lashes off camera per usual, change my shirt, fix my hair, and we'll come back for highlighter and lips. So okay guys, so this completes today's look. I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna go through a little rundown of the products. Obviously a lot of these products I have used before and I absolutely love them. As I said earlier, Anastasia is definitely one of my most favorite makeup brands, so I definitely stan a lot of their products. But the main one I'm going to talk about today is the eyeshadow palette. I did really like this. This reminded me more of the Modern Renaissance formula than, you know, like Subculture or anything like that. And I also did like Prism, but this was like the OG. Like it went back to Modern Renaissance for me and I really liked it. The only thing I didn't like was for Rose Pink. It kind of like chunked off when I initially touched it. I don't know if you guys can see that there's like a little chunk missing, so I didn't really like that, and that was like the only shade that I got fallout from. But all the other ones were obviously like super pigmented. Just look at this wonderful eye look. Absolutely loved it. This was gorgeous. Per usual, I really like the foundation. I think it's great, and Chestnut is a really good match for me, so winning. I did like the cream contour at some point, and I think that the highlighting shades are fine, but the contour shade definitely made me look a little too gray, and putting that bronzy blush definitely livened up the look. And for the I'm so used to the liquid lipsticks. For these lipsticks, I really like them. This is my first time trying this formula, but I like it a lot. I think it was really nice, and I had a lot of fun with these colors. I definitely think these shades are like all up my alley, and I definitely look forward to using them in the future. So yeah, that's it for this video. As usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.